Hey guys, this is going to be a shorter video than normal. I am taking some projects that I had been working on and we are going to update them. So for starters, we have this circle that I did in a green glitter and I added on I have it all together, but I just don't know where I put it, or I just forgot where I put it is actually what it says. And we are going to use a gold marker and get along those edges. You've noticed that a few of my videos have been kind of chaotic lately. We recently moved and nothing is where I'm used to it being, so I'm just trying to get it all together and figure out where I put everything. So now we're going to add the back piece to it, and I'm going to use a piece of felt, just trace around it and then glue it. And now that it's all glued, I'm going to set it aside and put something heavy on top of it so that it adheres really nicely. And for the record, I'm using the B6000 glue. So this is a paw print and sunflower one that I did in a purple glitter, and I started painting the sunflower pieces in with actually a pink. And I'm going to go over them with a glow-in-the-dark pink to try to bring them forward a little bit. And then we will decide what to do with the paw prints as soon as that is dry. I was going to create more resin pieces today, but let's be honest, for the life of me, I can't remember where my silicone mixing cups went. So we're going to do this instead. Now we're going to set this aside and let those petals dry. Now this is a purple circle that we did. We just rubbed the purple mica powder on it and poured our resin. And we're going to add some letters to it. I'm part of a group where Color Street nails are very popular, so we're going to add the letters Color Street on it. And then we're going to cure that. And then we're going to add some Color Street nails to it just to give it a little extra pop. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we're going to do it in the opposite direction. The nail pieces first and then the letters. Obviously, I didn't pay attention to what I was doing. Now I have a whole bag of letters somewhere, and let's be real, I couldn't find them. So I had to hunt down enough letters to spell Color Street in the small pack that I've got. That was interesting, but I got them together. Oh my god, I am so sorry for the little earthquake there. Every time I move my chair, it hits my light because I haven't quite figured out where to put everything. My desk used to be in a long shape, but now it's in a small L shape, so it's more compact. And trying to figure out how to work around things without bumping things constantly, that is going to be interesting. I will eventually figure it out, I promise. And there we go. I think that came out super cute. Don't worry, I will add the full coat of resin to it so it doesn't look like there's a blob of resin right there. Now we've got our green sparkle paw print that we did with the beads the other day. And I'm just going to go over it with some of the glue and sprinkle the green glitters on it. And then we're going to set that one aside to dry, and we're going to start on a wooden square that I've got, and I'm going to add these rhinestone pieces to it that I've cut to match the lengths of the square. We're going to glue those on, and we're also going to glue on one of the Color Street nail files because, let's face it, they're freaking cute. And then we'll add some of the color street nails on the bottom of that just to give it a little extra flair. If you're not sure what color street nails are, trust me, go over to Whatnot, the app, and look up Jenna Pearl. I will link her in the description. Y'all, she is fantastic. You will love her. All right, we're just about done, and don't worry, I will coat it with a coat of resin so it's nice and shiny. And there we go. I really want to thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I will make sure to find the I Have It All Together one because I lost it.